Renovation work has restarted on the track at the G.C. Foster College of Physical Education and Sport in Spanish Town following months of delay and stop-start. This as the Regupol team from Germany is back on the island. Denise Walters has this TVJ Sports follow-up.
Following months of delay with the material for the work on the track held up at the wharf in Kingston, the Regupol team that was on the island left. When the work got underway in late April, early May, there was a period of inclement weather which paused the work, and the team departed the island once again. But with the return of fair weather, work is underway once.
The track has resumed repair. The workmen from Germany came in on Monday, so the restoration of the track has started.
Despite the ongoing hurricane season, which ends November 30, Chairman of the G.C. Foster College, Regupol, is promising the track will be reopened in 4 months.
We expect it to be completed in another 2 to 3 weeks and certification right after. So G.C. Foster College track will be open for business come September 1.
Tolan is also echoing the cry that the delays have significant budget overrun.
The cost has been tremendous, especially the wharfage, the storage on the wharf, for example. And we had a fair amount of delays, so it has really cost us significantly. I think at the end of the day, the project will be an $80 million project.
The track at G.C. Foster College, which was first installed in 1998, was relaid in 2015. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.